Welcome to Butterfly Solutions for Mathematics. Here is a question: for what value of m are the roots of 3m plus 1 into x squared plus 11 plus m into x plus 9 equals 0 equal? That means this is a coordinate equation in quadratic form: 3m plus 1 into x squared plus 11 plus m into x plus 9 equals 0. 3m plus 1 is the coefficient of x squared term. 11 plus m into m is the coefficient of x term. And 9 is 0 degree term. Equal means the roots are equal, same. We can consider 3m plus 1 into x squared plus 11 plus m into x plus 9 equals 0. Quadratic equation. From that we can classify the coefficient a, b and c. That is, a equals 3m plus 1. Coefficient of x squared term. Coefficient of x term is b, 11 plus m, and the 0 degree term c equals plus 9. Consider b squared minus 4ac equals 0. Why? Here they already given that the roots are equal. If the roots are equal, b squared minus 4ac equals 0. Therefore, we are considering the concept b squared minus 4ac equals 0. In this concept, I am substituting in the place of b 11 plus m. Therefore, b squared means 11 plus m the whole squared. Minus 4 into a. In the place of a, we can substitute 3m plus 1. And in the place of c, we can substitute positive 9. Therefore, minus 4 into 3m plus 1 into 9 equals 0. (11 plus m the whole squared), that is a plus b the whole squared, that is 121 plus 22m plus m squared, minus 4 into 9, 36. Minus 36 into 3m gives minus 108m. Then minus 36 into plus 1 gives minus 36 equals 0. Therefore, in standard form we convert m squared minus 86m plus 22m minus 108m. When simplified, gives minus 86m. Plus 121 minus 36. When simplified, we get plus 85 equals 0. Thus, we get a simpler quadratic equation: m squared minus 86m plus 85 equals 0. When add gives minus 86, and when multiply gives positive 85. That is minus 85 and minus 1. Therefore, m squared minus 85m minus 1m plus 85 equals 0. Take grouping them, m squared minus 8m, in their common factor is m. m into m minus 85. Next to minus 1m plus 85, I am taking minus 1 outside. Therefore, m minus 85. In plus, when you take one minus outside, here it comes minus. Minus into minus plus. Thus, minus 1 into m minus 85 equals 0. And m minus 1 into m minus 85 equals 0. m minus 85 is the common factor here. Therefore, m minus 8 common factor taking outside. Therefore, minus m minus 1. m minus 1 equals 0. We can opt this m minus 1 equals 0 and m minus 85 equals 0. M minus 1 into m minus 85 equals 0. There are two possibilities. M minus 1 can be 0, m minus 85 can be 0. Therefore, m minus 1 equals 0 and m minus 85 equals 0. Therefore, m equals 1 and m equals 85 are the required values of m here. For what value of m? That is the final question. The answer for the final question is m equals 1 and m equals 85. Two values are there. Next, there is a concept I am giving here. If alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is a quadratic equation. For a quadratic equation, we can consider two roots. Therefore, I am supposing alpha and beta are the roots. Therefore, sum of roots equals alpha plus beta. Comparing the coefficients, it is minus b by a. And product of the roots equals alpha beta. That is c by a. Therefore, sum of the roots equals alpha plus beta or minus b by a, and product of the roots equals alpha beta or c by a. Find the sum of the roots and product of the roots of the quadratic equations. 2x square plus 5 root 3x plus 6 equals 0. That is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Ax square, therefore a equals plus 2 plus bx plus b plus 5 root 3 plus c equals 0 plus c plus 6. Sum of the roots equals minus b by a. Therefore, plus 5 root 3 by 2 minus, that is minus 5 root 3 by 2. That is defined as alpha plus beta. Product of the roots equals c by a. C positive 6 by a plus 2. Plus 6 by plus 2 defines 3 equals alpha plus beta. That is, therefore, we can conclude the final answer of sum of the roots and product of the roots. Next question, construct a quadratic equation whose roots are 2 plus root 5 by 2 and 2 minus root 5 by 2. For quadratic equation, we can consider two roots or two solutions. Here given two roots, 2 plus root 5 by 2 and 2 minus root 5 by 2. From this, we have to construct the quadratic equation. Sum of the roots equals 2 plus root 5 by 2 plus 2 minus root 5 by 2. That is 2 plus root 5 by 2 plus 2 minus root 5 by 2 whole by 2. Denominators are same, therefore plus 5 and plus root 5 and minus root 5 cancels. Therefore 2 plus 2, 4 by 2 gives 2. Product of roots equals 2 plus root 5 by 2 into 2 minus root 5 by 2. Taking the numerator 2 plus root 5 into 2 minus root 5, a plus b into a minus b, by 2 into 2, 4. A plus b into a minus b, a squared minus b squared, that is 4 minus root 5 the whole square, 5. Therefore, 4 minus 5 by 4. 4 minus 5 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, the required equation is x squared minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equals 0. That is x squared minus sum of the roots, positive 2, minus already here, 2x. Therefore, x squared minus 2x plus sum of the roots equals minus 1 by 4 plus minus 1 by 4 equals 0. That is x squared minus 2x minus 1 by 4 equals 0. taking the LCM for 4x squared minus 8x minus 1 equals 0. Cross multiplying this 4 will eliminate 4 into 0, 0. Hence, we get the clean quadratic equation 4x squared minus 8x minus 1 equals 0, which defines the sum of the roots, 2 plus root 5 by 2 and 2 minus root 5 by 2. 4x squared minus 8x minus 1 equals 0 is the required equation. We can meet in the next video.